Let's look at question 56, merge interval. In that question, you gave an array of interval. Interval means you have a start and end. You can imagine in some timeline, you have start time, end time, and then someone is overlapped. Then what you need to do is merge the overlapped and finally to build a new array. In the new array is no overlap. So let us start coding this question. So actually the solution is very simple. Sort this input array. So you can guarantee sort by the start time. You guarantee the left element start time is less than the next, or less or equal to the next element. Then you need to compare is the next one is the overlap in the first one. If it's overlap, we merge, and then we pick up the largest value from the both end. Which one is larger, we use which one. So we merge one and go to the next one. If the next one is not overlap, okay, we build one output and then continue to do it until we finish. Actually, this question have some tricky. You see, the interval's length is less than the 10K. If we in the beginning we think this one, you can imagine this is a timeline, right? If it's 10K, it's a small size, so you can set it the 10K lines integer and put this all value into this timeline, and then scan the whole this integer and find the solution. That is the other way to do it. The way we select to sort this one and merge is a traditional way. This one, if this integer value is very huge, this is efficient. But for this limitation, you say this value is between 0 and 10K. Some faster way, you can put some timeline and put the value in the timeline and then finally collect the timeline. Okay, let us use the sort algorithm to finish it. So in the beginning, we do the sort arrays, use sort function. So sort this one from start to end, and used algorithm is A0 minus B0. So that will sort this one, and then what we need to do is the start value is is 0 and 0, and end is 0 and 1. Then we do the for loop from 1 because we already get the first element, and well, less than intervals lines. Intervals. Oh, we have something wrong here, and this is the semicolon. Paste here And okay, yeah, we have a loop, and the only thing we need to do is if the okay, we have to get is whiles is equal to int whiles I1 if for 0 his start time is less and equal to end. This means they override. So this 2 is less than the, because we already sort, so we guarantee 2 is bigger or equal with the first. So if the 2 is less or equal to the end, so we think this is overlapped. Okay, the new end will be the max of end and will 1. Okay, we update the end. Else, here we use the list int new linked list to do it, and add new start end. Okay, so we also need to do a one, because in the finally we also need to add this one, and then the real return value will be the size, right? And then we to array, fill it, and return real return value. So try it. Okay, sort function lines. Is this correct? IB is needed to return this one. Try one more time. Okay, what's wrong for that one? Oh, I think this is caused a problem. Actually, for lambda function, we do not, if it's only this line, we do not need it. New it. Wrong answer. What's wrong? Okay. We forget to update something. Okay, here. For that one, we need to update the start to the 0, and end will update to the this one. Okay, and submit. So we are done. If for in this, just for this one, because the value, the start node and the value range is small range, is 10K, you can use the timeline solution. You just put the timeline and put all this one into this one. So because in that one, you only scan 2 times. For this solution, we have a sort algorithm. This will take a big O of n log n. And this is a big O of n. So finally, time complexity is a big O of n log n. If you use a timeline, In that case, maybe faster. But if you remove this requirement, so we have to use sort to do it. Thank you for watching the video.